Let's solve part B now. So the hotel wants the clerks to be dressed. Now, for that they have to give them clothes, and those clothes cost money. So the hotel has to incur a cost of C per worker per day. At what level of that cost is the hotel indifferent between the two types of workers? So let's see what's changing in the question now. So over here, when we look at our data, the only thing that changes is that we have an additional cost per worker, meaning that if the worker generated, let's say the guy who had the diploma generated us 300 euros per day, then now he's going to generate us 300 euros minus the cost of that cloth, because we have to incur it, so it reduces our profit. The same logic goes over here. If the guy without the diploma generated us 220 euros, now because of the cloth we have to reduce the profit by that amount. Hope this makes sense. So what's the idea here? We want the hotel to be indifferent between the two types of workers, meaning the hotel must have the same profit from hiring two guys with diploma and the same profit from hiring 3 guys without the diploma. In other words, we must make those profits equal. So what's that going to be? Well, we just saw that the profit from a guy with diploma is 300 euros minus that cost of clothes, and because we have 2 of them, we must multiply that profit with 2. So we will have 2 times 300 minus C, so 2 times 300 minus C equals 2, and the same logic goes to the other guy. For the guys without the diploma, we have a profit of 220 euros minus the cost per worker. We have 3 of them, so we must multiply that with 3. So we will have 3 times 220 minus that cost. Now it's a matter of math of opening the brackets and finding out that cost. So 2 times 300, that's going to be 600, minus 2 times C is just 2C, is equal to, and on the other side we do the same, 3 times 220 is equal to 660. 3 times minus C is minus 3C. Let's take the numbers on one side and the cost on the other side. So we will have 660 minus 600 is going to be 60. And on the other side, we are left with minus 2C plus 3C. So that's going to give us just 1C. So the cost, if the cost is 60 euros per that cloth, per that uniform, then the company, the hotel, is going to be indifferent between hiring 2 guys with diploma and 3 guys without the diploma. Hope this makes sense, and we are done.